Breaking on Newsbreak, a clean slate for former Asian Games gold medalist Pinky Pramanik, who has won a huge victory in the Calcutta High Court with all charges, including rape and cheating, being quashed. Monideepa Banerjee joins us now. Monideepa, a long, torturous process for Pinky, but now she stands vindicated.
That's right. In fact, let Pinky answer the question because she is right here with me. Pinky, आज आप कोर्ट में नहीं थे जब ये राय आया कि आपके विरुद्ध जो चार्जेस हैं वो सब क्वाश हो गया। आपको जब सुनाई दिया ये राय, आपको कैसा लगा? आपका रिएक्शन क्या था?
रिएक्शन बोले तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, बट अच्छा लगने के साथ साथ भी ये चीज़ का दुख था कि मुझे मतलब फालतू में इतना दिन हैरेसमेंट किया और मैं पिछले साल ही क्वाश के लिए मैंने एप्लीकेशन दिया था, 1 साल लग गया और इस घटना के चलते मुझे बहुत कुछ खोना पड़ा। बेसिकली मेरा जो पर्सनल इमेज था उसमें भी बहुत फ़र्क आया और पब्लिक का जब मैं ड्यूटी करती हूँ सियालदह स्टेशन में तो वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारा पब्लिक ऐसा है कि मैं इस केस के बारे में लेके कुछ बात करता रहता है अभी तक, तो उसको लेके मैं बहुत ही मतलब बुरा फील करती हूँ कि और आज का राय के वजह से मुझे ये चीज़ के लिए अच्छा हो शायद आप इंसान मुझे देख के शायद जो चीज़ बोला जाता था शायद वो नहीं बोलेगा, इसलिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
Payushni Mitra has been an activist in this matter. She has been pursuing this case and she was in court today when the order was given in the Calcutta High Court. Payushni, for once and all we can say that the debate is over, the whole trauma of gender verification test that Pinky had to go through.
It's unfortunate that Pinky had to go through gender verification tests again and again. But yes, the whole debate is over. Great job done by Lawyers Collective, Mr. Anand Grover, Kaushik Gupta here. So congratulations to them as well as to Pinky. And I think it's important that people understand that the question that they were constantly raising about her gender, whether she's male or female, that has been put to rest, and that it shouldn't be that she was discriminated because she is gender variant. We must understand that and stop people from discriminating against people with gender variance.
I have to say one thing, for this whole case, the charge of rape and, cheating against her, Pinky even had to spend 25 days in jail. Pinky, ये जो debate हुआ था आपको लेके, आप पुरुष है या महिला, ये आज खत्म?
हाँ जी, हाँ खत्म हो गया। और मैं इस साथ साथ और एक बात बोलना चाहूँगी, जो हम लोग का इंडिया का जनता है, अगर किसी के साथ ऐसा होता है तो प्लीज़ मौत होने दीजिएगा, क्योंकि सभी सब कुछ झेल नहीं पाएगा और कुछ नहीं, बस इतना।
खुश है Pinky, very happy today at the order by the Calcutta High Court. 2 years of trauma, but now that is at an end, and also at an end the debate over her gender, something that the whole nation was talking about for the last 2 years.